Gonna be washing down the engine bay. Pretty filthy. Got a new battery for it. Distributor cap cables, spark plugs. You see the grease on that thing. Had a little oil leak. Fixed that, but it's just I'm just sitting. You can tell how much dirt there is. The thick layer. So I'm gonna be spraying it down, park it in the street right now. What I bought for it. Went down to O'Reilly's, went to the 99-cent store, got some degreaser. So I'm gonna throw some water, some degreaser, and I bought 2 spray cans of engine shine and then engine degreaser. So it should be three. This is probably double dose, kind of overkill, but we'll see if that does any help, and just hose it down. Gonna clean the little air filter that it has. Gonna remove that so there's more space and be able to clean that separately. Let me turn it on for you guys. Let it warm up, and then I'm gonna be using some regular paint brushes to kind of. The bristles are pretty soft, but they're pretty sturdy, so I can throw the degreaser and just wipe down the dirt from there. Spray it down with some water at a low pressure, and of course I'm gonna throw some bags on all the cables so there's no issues with that. I threw on some degreaser, let it sit for about 10 minutes. I let the engine cool down before I threw a little water on there, and then I threw the degreaser. And then I went at it with some sprays. You can already kind of tell the difference. I'm gonna hose it down in a little bit and then throw the shine on there, and hopefully we can start soaking it down. I'll be right back. Here's an update. Going at it for about a little over an hour. Here looks way better. It was filthy. Just took the air box to get this corner a little better to clean out the filter, but still going at it, still trying to dry everything off. Still a little bit of water left here and there. It looks much better. Throttle body from Hughes Racing. Pretty neat. Gonna get some seafoam, throw it on the valves, and clean it up with a microfiber cloth. Need to get the back still pretty dirty, but it's coming along. It is coming along. Nowhere near showroom or anything, but definitely a lot cleaner. Ran out of sunlight the other day, so couldn't show you guys then, but definitely took a good three hours, I'd say, trying to detail it as much as possible. So I'll probably give it another wash once I paint it, I'm pretty sure it's gonna get messy in here, so I'll clean the engine bay then again. But so it's sitting for the meantime. I mean, everything's the same. All right, now I'm trying to polish up this leather bed line, not bed liner, but top. Threw some Armor All, some degreaser to clean it up, but doesn't seem to be doing the trick. I found had this in the garage. It's for tires. Thought I'd do a decent job with black, but not really getting that glossy look. I don't know if it's just because it's been sitting out for the last few years in the sun. Just the same way the paint got damaged, maybe the top got damaged, who knows. But I'll keep messing around with it, see if I can get a nice gloss throughout it. Go from there. Turn it on for you guys.